Thanks.
Fayo, mare purifayo, iya-ye, 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 iya-ye.
Aren't they wonderful? You are having way too much fun. Thanks. You know what I was thinking? Eric's dissertation makes me think that, hey, thank you all for making such a beautiful parade. I know that this parade at the end of the semester is going to be This is a very magical class. Oh, you're welcome. So, how are you, babe?
I'm good. I'm eating my cereal and rushing to go to work.
Okay. I just want to report to you the 9:30 class has just made a beautiful parade around Hawkins Hall, and we even had.
Good work!
We even had the former Vice President for Academic Affairs step in, and we did a chant for him.
Impressive.
Yeah. So I hope you have a great Fat Tuesday.
Thanks, Dad. And we'll talk later about your message from last night.
Okay, you would so much want to see what I look like right now. I don't know why is my camera not working?
I don't know. But I'm glad you can see me.
Jan up here in the corner just said, you two are so related.
We are.
Did I learn it from you or did you learn it from me?
I think it's a little bit of both.
I do too.
Have a great day.
Thank you, babe. Love
Nice meeting you all.
Bye.
Well, the apple doesn't fall apart, does it?
No, she's a good time girl.
Oh, wow.
Thank you all for entering into the spirit of carnival so beautifully.